Welcome back to Love What You Drive. I got something to show you. Oh yeah. Can you believe the size of this trunk? Anyways, this is what we got going on. These are some wheels I found on Facebook Marketplace, and they're gonna go to the shop today. I'm gonna try to get some footage to balance them, get them all cleaned up, and hopefully get them thrown on the car, cruise around on them. So I brought the wheels to get balanced. JBM Wheels. I heard good things about this guy. My friend brought his wheels. They got refinished. He took out all the curb brush. So I'm gonna just go ahead and unload these. Okay. And these wheels, I'm gonna finish them and maybe keep them for my snow tires. Pulling up here to pick up the Lincoln wheels. Oh, those are nice. We got this stuff in. Thanks, Eric. Here they are, Lincoln wheels. So they are on 225, 60, 17s. As my originals are 225, 60, 16s. Same tire, the rim is size bigger. So what I'm gonna do is just give them a quick wash. I will probably not have enough daylight, throw them on the car, but pretty good. I mean, there's really like minor clear coat defects, but I'm gonna give them a good wash and then see how they turn out. So all I'm really gonna use is hot water and some dish soap. Just wash them on the inside, the outside. And the cool part is, for now, my Mercury logo will fit.
A few moments later.
Both wheels are up. I'm gonna take them off and put on the other ones. You're gonna be in my video.
Did you start the wheel again?
Yep. Opa! There's this one. Yep, that's so it can go inside and tighten it. Wanna go for a test drive with me after?
Yeah.
Either way. Good job.
Oh wow, I moved the tire.
You moved it?
Yeah.
Cause you're so strong.
This is the head.
Oh my goodness. Unscrew each one, yep. The cool part is that this fits on here. Check this out. Boom. Isn't that cool? Oh yeah, that's nice. You got one off?
Yep.
Okay.
I don't need help.
You don't need help? Oh my goodness.
This one I might need help with. Woo! Got all of them are off, Daddy.
Oh yeah. These tires are really good still, and these are still pretty good as well.
But a little dirty. Perfect? Is it perfect?
Okay. Ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Are we using the same bullets?
Yep, go ahead.
Okay.
when we're done, we'll go for a test drive. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and drop the car and start tightening the bolts. Oh wow, what do you guys think? I'm gonna put a before and after shot. That looks cool. I like it. Now that it's done, you can see the difference here. I like the mini spoke. Kind of fills up the wheel well in the back a little better. That's what it seems like. That's right. Hannah approves. And also down here, I'm glad that the Mercury hubcap. So if you had anything, maybe doubting if it would fit or not, I'm glad that it does. So I'm not gonna bore you with taking off the other side here and there, but I will give you a walk around after I'm done putting everything on, and I'll do a couple of drive-bys for you guys. Okay, check it out. Here's this side. What do you guys think?
Like it.
You like it, Hannah?
Yeah,
I like it also.
it's cleaner than the other wheels. Is that right?
Yeah, let's do a drive-by.
Yep.
Okay.
Guys, we're gonna do a drive-by.
Ladies first.
It's cleaner than the other wheels. Is that right?